So, welcome to the second tutorial in the section of waving, and right now we are going to discuss and break down the body wave. So, basically, again, just like the arm wave, you break the body wave down into sections, and then you keep practicing those sections, and then you get the smooth body wave. So, I'm going to explain the sections right here, and you keep practicing that, and then you get your body wave. So first, your neck goes up. This is the first move. Then your chest comes out and you look down on your chest. Okay? Your neck goes up and then this. This is the first part. Then your stomach comes out. Stomach and the pelvis kind of move together. It's very hard to differentiate one from the other. So even if you do just the pelvis coming out, the stomach kind of comes out on its own. So these are the first three parts. Look up, chest out, stomach and pelvis. And then the pelvic part goes back and then the knees come out. So you look up, chest out, the pelvis goes back, the knees come out. And different people have different ways of ending this. The way I find the most suitable is just like, pivoting the foot like this. So from the knees, the wave goes down to the feet. So, and then the reverse. Feet pivot back, the knees go back and the pelvis comes out. And then the pelvis goes back and the chest comes out. And the head goes up at the same time. So a quick recap of the entire breakdown. So as you keep practicing this breakdown, you will, automatically start getting this fluid wave. Not considering the arms here, but this. So you have any questions regarding this, upload them to the forum with the videos or the description.